This Green Lake home was built in 1947, but when you step inside, you would never know that. Modern finishes throughout, elegant hardwood floors. Once you step in, there's modernism everywhere. Once you step into the kitchen, you will see all the elegant finishes of a modern kitchen. It's a galley kitchen with all the updates. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1 3/4 bathrooms on 2 floors, and a massive primary suite. The home sits on over 9,000 square feet at the end of a cul-de-sac for privacy. 2-car garage downstairs and your own private driveway in the front. And you're only minutes away from all the shops and all the entertainment that Green Lake offers. Plus, you could take a lap around Green Lake and be back for coffee in the morning. It's a truly beautiful home that keeps the old school charm, but has all the modern benefits of a new home.